Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. I am working on my lady pins, and I want to thank everyone who gave me a suggestion for what to do about painting my eyes. I was having an issue of um, when I tried to paint the white part of the eyes, the brown part would soak it up. So I got several suggestions, and the first one that I used, let's see, I got the Posca pens, I got the chalk paint, I got uh, nail polish, and then also somebody suggested that I paint a clear layer over the paint and then paint it. Anyway, what I tried first was the Posca pen, and that did okay, but it still seemed to soak in a little bit. But man, that chalk paint, that white chalk paint, where is it? Man, this is Waverly matte finish white chalk, and this one really did the job. So this is going to be my go-to when I do these eyes. Okay, so I got the whites of my eyes painted, and all my girls. Some of my girls have eyes that are closed, but oh, I forgot to do the middle. I forgot to do the iris. Anyway, I'm not through. I'm just giving you a view of the work in progress, but it's coming along quite well. I'm going to show you the work in progress. them have on earrings. I put, a earring hole so I could put the jump ring in there and make earrings. And they are 3D in that the top part. I'll show you the 3 parts. Okay, we have the base that is done in a little bit thicker wood. And then I do the hair and the top of the face in some really thin, some really thin wood. And then I put the top on like that. And then I have the lips. Where are my lips? Yep, I painted my lips. So then I have my lips. So it's really a 3-part face. And I'm going to have this file for sale in my Shopify store. So if you're interested, you can get this file. I'm going to make a couple more, but I have this one. I don't know if I may put the queen in there. I don't know. She's not my favorite, but she's the first one that I did. But I'll probably put both of them on the same file. That's what I'll do. And I'm wondering, would you make these as earrings? Would you make them smaller and make earrings, or what? Because originally I was thinking about making them. When I started, I was gonna do earrings, but then I said, oh, they're kind of big, so let me just do pins. So that's where I ended up, is doing pins. I have enough here. I'm gonna do about 10 pins to sell next weekend at my big festival that I have. I'm so excited. Anyway, I'm gonna put this camera down and get back to work so I can finish all my ladies. I'm going to, after I get them all painted and everything, I'm gonna put a matte coating over them to seal them. So that is it. All right, good people, this is Sherry. I hope you have a fabulously blessed weekend and life. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.